But today, it's time to harvest the crop that went in the earliest. Can you guess what it is? Getting ready for the potato harvest, and check it out. We even got the old camera out. We got the one GoPro that will be used with the mics right here, and we got the other GoPro set up and ready for time lapse. Let's get this harvest done. After all that organizing to document this potato harvest the best way possible, I hit video here, not time lapse, but that's okay. You can always speed it up. So what I'm doing first is I had to remove all the sticks and all the support. I didn't want to lose the harvest this year. The last couple of years we've had windstorms and it's blown over the plant and they broke. And so you can see here how long the potato plants had grown. I had actually started raising them up with twine, even the pool noodles, to try to keep them to where they didn't break off. And they did great, but then after some point in time, I was like, okay, they're on their own. Guys, I took a little time here trying to get all the supports that I held the potatoes up with so they could keep growing and hopefully grow lots of potatoes. So I have those few in the back there. Had the time lapse going, which I probably was just now standing in front of. But yeah, so let's see. Man, these things have grown so long. Let's hope they've grown lots of pretty potatoes underneath too. So yeah, those are the last 3 pieces that needs to come out before we start pulling out the goods. It's as long as me. And I think that back there is going to be even longer. Okay, let's go make good dirt. We got the top layer off, got the infrastructure removed. Now Edwin's pulling out the irrigation. And before we forget, I'm going to go ahead and cut it off here because it should be coming on soon, so it doesn't come on. Okay. Harvesting beginning.
Okay, I found one here.
They're bigger than last year?
Well, this first one looks promising. Ooh, look at there. So
Man.
maybe I'll try this.
Wow.
It's not
Much
looking too bad.
better so far than last year.
Okay, let's see if we can. Ooh, that's a good one.
Who's ahead? The red is ahead of the white. Whoops. Check it out. Oh, I don't know. Why else would you say that they didn't do as well? They didn't have as much sun, and maybe the other plants grew over top of them.
Plus, they're like in China.
Look how deep Edwin's finding the potatoes. Like super, oh my gosh, look at that beauty. And the other ones have definitely been up farther on top of the soil.
Yeah.
So maybe they were, some decided they wanted to be in the basement and the others wanted ground floor. I don't know. If you guys know, leave us a comment. I think Edwin's gonna have to dig to the bottom of the potato bin to get all the white potatoes out. Thank goodness he's a good digger. You can pull out with the roots that are still green. Holy moly. Let me get a photo of that. What do you think?
I think you need to take your photo.
Well, that's a wrap, guys.
That's a wrap.
Poor Edwin, I think, has moved every square inch of dirt in the potato bin.
Yeah.
And I think we had a pretty good harvest. This also shows that we got to replace these boards because we didn't get a chance to replace them in the spring like the others, like you see over there. So I'm going to lay out all the goods, get a good visual. We'll also get how much weight, and we'll see how good we did.
Get you all the stuff.
Okay, everybody, our mics died. So you can see in this video, we have the scale. We're making sure we're clearing the scale so it only measures the weight of the potatoes in each bag. And then we wrote the amount of pounds on each bag of the potatoes. So we found out our mics were not working, reset the camera, and then the camera didn't work. So
I guess I'm saying it again.
yeah,
2025 results is 50.5 potatoes total.
50.5
pounds. Can I leave out the 0.5?
33
which is 17 pounds of yellow and 33 pounds of
red.
Red potato.
Yep. And these are all the goods. We got all kinds of bags to go downstairs. Whoops, that one's empty. Here's the other bags. Sorry guys, the GoPro did a hiccup and we're ready to move on from the potato harvest 2025. little bumblebee's just showing his little bumble to us, huh? Man, must be some good stuff in there, huh? Yeah. You're hard at work. Yes, you are. Funny. Too funny. Not only do we have potatoes to go with the burgers, we've got fresh rosemary from the garden. And then Edwin found itty bitty, but it'll be enough. Little jalapeno from the garden we can put on the burgers. Is there more?
They're bigger jalapenos, but I think that's all we need.
Okay. They're gonna be good. Let there be light. We got 11 minutes on the homegrown taters. I think they're going to be done before. I think we can turn them off. We have all the fixings here for the burgers. And we got mustard, chipotle lime, mayo, some ketchup. We actually have some of Edwin's pickles that he pickled this year from the garden. And jalapenos. So we're getting close. We're getting close. And a garden tomato. Look at that beauty.
I guess we don't need any more than that.
No. And looky here, guys. I think somebody needs
Hey,
bridges.
my bridges alone.
Man, if you guys could smell, it smells so good. Doesn't it, sweetie?
It smells very good.
They may need another 5 minutes. It's coming in.
Maybe not 2 minutes.
2 minutes,
Not even
maybe.
that, I think. Juicy little buggers.
That's not clean smoker that you just nice. The burgers are off the smoker. The buns are in the toaster. The beer's on the table.
And the tummy's very hungry.
And it just did a blippy on the GoPro, and all the fixings is ready. You want to say that about the tummy again? Because it went bleep. And the tummy's hungry. Me too.
All ready to go.
Yep. Yum yum.
With taters.
Good taters, good burger.
Mm-hmm.
With garden tomato and pickles and jalapeno. And all kinds of good stuff.
That they bring in with their groceries. And nothing to do. Them, of course, we helped them find them, helped them dig them, helped them every way we could. But and they fixed us one of them big bags of potatoes, and nothing doing but us bring them back. And when it got low again, or when we run out, and your mom would fix potatoes, and you'd sit down to eat, and she'd take a bite of them potatoes and sling her fork back down and say, "I ain't Paul's taters." Yeah. Why would she do that? Because she didn't like them store-bought potatoes. She liked the ones Paul raised, her granny and Paul.
She knows her taters.
Here's the difference now.
Tater girl.
You remember that, Ann?
All kinds of good stuff. Wave to the camera.